How to add a WhatsApp button on your Wix website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add a WhatsApp button on your Wix website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your Wix editor where you are editing your website. So this is my Wix editor right here and we can edit our website. So I want to add a WhatsApp button. Now keep in mind, adding a WhatsApp link in social is different and adding a button is different. So to add a button, you have to go to this add button right here that we get on Wix. It allows us to add different elements to our website. So here you will find buttons at fourth number. Right here we have buttons after image. So in button we have a lot of different buttons available. We have themed button which look like this, then we have text and icon, and then we have icon button as well. Now if you just want to go with an icon, then you can go with this phone icon, which is also a WhatsApp icon, and then you will be able to add your WhatsApp link in here. So this will just show kind of like this, and you can just place it with the other social as well. But if you want to go with a button, then you can go with a themed one or a text and icon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with a themed, and I'm going to select a button related to my theme right here. So what I will do is I think I'm going to go with this simple one, select it, and it will be added to your website. Okay, let's place it somewhere where we can see it. So I'm going to place it right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on change text and icon because that's what we want to do. And I will call it WhatsApp. And then we have to add a link right here. So the link is actually going to be a phone number because on WhatsApp we have to add a phone number for our WhatsApp. So you can go with a phone number. Plus we also get our link, our profile link. If you have a business account, then you will also get your own WhatsApp, a link that you can share with other people so they can find your business account. So you can go with web address from here, or you can go with phone number. That will be okay. Enter your phone number or your web address right here and click on done, and it will be added here. And when a person will click on this WhatsApp button, they will be able to get to your WhatsApp. So this is the easiest way to add WhatsApp on Wix. There are other ways as well, but this is the easiest way, and you can do it within Wix without going to any other platform, and it literally takes 1 minute. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.